Hello everyone, it's West Virginia Outsider. Today I'm going to do a video for you. It's kind of bad out here, stormy and rainy and stuff. I got my little shelter set up here, little windbreaker. I got my other camera set up. I got my other poles. I'm not rigged up yet. I got my other ones already out. I made some homemade bait. I got more in here, and I got my potatoes and bread I'll be fishing with here later. I just got here, so might end up getting stormed out. I hope not. Try to get as much as I can, but it's a little something different, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, don't them look good? Oh, yummies. These are actually homemade. I made some boilies, pop-ups, and it just red food coloring and some strawberry abstract percent. Oh yeah, they smell delicious. Delicious, I'm telling you. So I'll be putting one of these on, and yeah, I'll boil them out for about 2 to 2.5 minutes, and they're nice and firm. But I might pop one of them on here in a few minutes. So I'm gonna see what they're going to bite on. And here's my potatoes and bread. You know, it's dry bread, and I'll show you how to rig this up a little bit. Let's see. Just got plain oats. I got some canned carrots, sliced carrots. I'll probably mash them up and stick them in a little bit of oats, see what happens. Never tried it before. Here's the potatoes, and if they're too big, I just cut them in half, or what, so they're just big enough to set on the bread there. But I caught a lot of carp and a lot of catfish on this with these two right here, a lot of them. So we'll be doing this, and we'll see how long it takes to get a bite on them. Water. Got my trusty old coffee. Can't start my day without my coffee. Of course, I drink it all day long though. That's made out of a PVC pipe. I made this. The back, the pole sitting in, I can raise it and lower it, and I can fold it up. Right there is my other sticks for the front. I could replace the buzzards if I wanted. All right, guys, here comes the rain. Still no bites yet. I said my camera's still down there. It's still recording. I know it's different than the pay lakes where they stock them and stuff like that. It's all natural here. This is West Virginia Outsider. This is a fishing session in new day, a gorgeous day. So we'll see what happens. There you go. This is oats and peaches. Let's give her a wing out there. Guys, it's West Virginia Outsider. I want to end it for now. Nothing going on. I tried everything but the kitchen sink. So I will try again. Maybe July somewhere. To the river anyways. I may go to a Pay Lake and see what happens there in the future. So if you like these kind of videos, give me a like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all later. You guys, when I was packing it up, and looky here, finally got bit. Little chub. Return home, fella. Return home. Guys, when I'm leaving, I'm packing up. I got 4 little visitors. I don't have nothing to give them. Oh, That fishy got you. It bit you right on the bum bum. I don't have nothing for you guys. Bro, what, you gonna get bit again? You guys are beautiful. A fish get you? He sure did. He's gonna get you again.